Welcome back. Now we on the unique question for SL. Last one, question 8. Okay, so we have a function f dash here. So obviously you need to do differentiation or integration, right? Get ready. So then first, so x squared plus 2x plus 2 larger than 0. Remember the skill is we call computing square. Yeah, so remember we change it to something that can be computing square plus 1, right? So plus 1. So the first one you can do it computing square, x plus 1 all square plus 1. This one is larger than or equal to 0. So this one is larger than or equal to 1. So it's larger than 0. So that's it. Get a good job. Hence, find the value of x for which f is increasing. Remember, the denominator is always greater than or 0. So our question is increasing is f dash larger than 0, so the thing becomes the numerator larger than 0. So the requirement will be x larger than, yes, negative 1. You got it. Next one, okay, for part B, let me change it back to the band, okay. Okay, part B, I said, okay, write down the value of x for dash f dash x equals 0 equals 0. Easy, numerator equals 0. So numerator is 0. Very familiar, right? Yes, x equals a negative 1. Good job. Next one, you have to show that double derivative is like this. Wow, very hard, but you got this one, right? What we need to do for 2 is just that dash means differentiate the f dash, okay, to think up there. So we use the quotient rule. Okay, quotient rule, copy the quotient, make it a square, and then copy it first, and differentiate the numerator. Numerator differentiate is 2, and then minus the numerator, and then differentiate the denominator, more thing, okay, 2x plus 2. Wow, another thing. Yeah, this is a song question, so another thing for you to show off your skill. Okay, expansion 2x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 4x squared minus 8x minus 4. Okay, I got it. Wow. And then copy the thing, x squared plus 2x plus 2. I think enough for intermediate steps. See, we got the result. Okay, 2x squared minus 2x squared. Yes. 4x minus 8x. Yes, minus 4x. 4 minus 4. Yes, 0. So copy at the result. Okay, excellent. And then 3 hands justify the value in B1 correspond to local minimum. Local minimum means down and up, right? It means f that dash has to be positive, right? From negative slope to positive slope, right? So we have to show this thing at where at x equals minus 1, okay? So substitute for part 3, we need to do the direct substitution, okay? You say here f that dash, okay, minus 1. Remember, work hard, okay? Copy that one, okay? Minus 2 minus 1 all square minus 4 minus 1. We need to do it for the denominator too, although I know it is a positive. We still have to do it, sorry. Okay, so square bracket minus 1 all square plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 all square. Numerator important, okay? Minus 2 plus 4, so it's 2. Yeah, good, positive. Denominator, I still have to calculate. Okay, 1 minus 2 is minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 square. So it's 2 larger than 0. So the conclusion is straightforward. So it is a minimum. So we get it. Okay, so AB is done. Okay, thank you.